My dear students, I am going to explain you the relation between equivalent mass, molecular mass, and basicity. So, equivalent mass of an acid I am talking. You know that for an acid, basicity is the number of replaceable hydrogen ion. As in the case of sulfuric acid, you see, its basicity is 2 because 2 hydrogen atom can be replaced. 2 hydrogen ions are formed. In the case of hydrochloric acid, only 1 is the basicity. That means basicity is calculated for acids. So hydrochloric acid has 1 basicity and sulfuric acid has 2 basicity because the number of replaceable hydrogen ions, hydrogen atoms. Okay, now you know that equivalent mass of an acid is equals to molecular mass of the acid divided by basicity. So if I talk of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, then its molecular mass is 1 plus 35.5, that is equals to 36.5, and basicity is 1 because 1 hydrogen atom is replaceable. So equivalent mass of hydrochloric acid is equals to molecular mass of hydrochloric acid divided by basicity. So that is equals to 36.5 by 1, and that is equals to 36.5. So 36.5 is the equivalent mass of hydrochloric acid. Now I am talking of hydrochloric acid. So equivalent mass of hydrochloric acid is equals to molecular mass of hydrochloric acid divided by basicity of hydrochloric acid, and that is equals to molecular mass of hydrochloric acid is 2 plus 32 plus 64. So that is equals to 98. So molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 divided by, and basicity is 2. So 98 divided by 2 is equals to 49. So 49 is the equivalent mass of sulfuric acid. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.